An all-out political war has erupted in Maharashtra as the chorus to open religious places has risen. Maharashtra's Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari and Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray are engaged in a vicious and public war of words. In a letter, the governor says it is ironic that while the government has opened up bars and restaurants, it keeps gods and goddesses in lockdown. He asked Uddhav if he has suddenly turned secular, given that the Sena has been a strong supporter of Hindutva. Chief Minister Uddhav then hit out at the governor, saying that he does not need a Hindutva certificate from the governor. Uddhav added that he does not get any divine premonition when it comes to COVID-19. Uddhav also taunted the governor on his meeting with Kangana, saying that welcoming those people who are calling Mumbai POK doesn't fit his terms of Hindutva. Maharashtra currently has over 1.5 million coronavirus cases with over 40,000 deaths.
देखिए, मंदिर और बार की आप जो तुलना कर रहे हो गलत है। रेस्टोरेंट्स खोल रहे हैं धीरे धीरे, ये सभी एक एक चीज़। अभी जिम की बात है, कल ये जो जिम चलाने वाले कुछ लोग मुख्यमंत्री साहब को मिलने वाले हैं। मंदिर के बारे में बहुत से डेलीगेशन मुख्यमंत्री साहब को मिल रहे हैं। इस राज्य के चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री है, यहाँ कैबिनेट है और राज्य में जनता के हित में क्या निर्णय लेना है क्या नहीं लेना है, उसका पूरा अधिकार राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री को है।
He is a citizen, yes, but he is constitutionally bound to adhere to the norms that are become the role and responsibility of a governor. Governor has to speak in the spirit of the Constitution and ensure that he is apolitical in nature. This entire letter reeks of politics. This entire letter speaks of mean-spiritedness. And I'm sorry, but as the governor, whose chair expects him to respect the Constitution, this goes against the constitutional norms. And can I just say one last thing? It isn't just the temples of the state which are shut. The churches, the mosques, and every single religious site has been, barred from visitors because it will attract a lot of crowd. I would want to understand from the President of India, Honorable President of India, does he agree with the spirit and the content of the letter that is written? And I would want to understand, are we out there to now change the Constitution and try to attack governments that have been elected to govern as per the Constitution?
ये महाराष्ट्र सरकार द्वारा बहुत ही घृणित कार्य है और मैं पूरे देश पे कहना चाहता हूं कि पूरे देश के मंदिरों को खोला जाए। और ये क्या, अगर बंद कर रहे तो शराब क्यों खोला जा रहा है, आखिर बार क्यों खोला जा रहा है? तो इससे बड़ा घोर कलयुग का प्रतीक है, पाप का प्रतीक है। तो ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है और इस पे बिल्कुल वो होना चाहिए, जितने भी मंदिर है वो खुले, और अगर बंद हो रहा है तो शराब की दुकानें भी बंद हो, बार भी बंद हो। तो इस तरह सरकार के जो निर्णय है कि बार तो खोलेंगे लेकिन मंदिर बंद रखेंगे, ये बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, ये धार्मिक भावना को आहत करने वाला है।
Sahil Joshi live with us from Mumbai for more on this story. Sahil, another escalating face-off between Uddhav Thackeray's government and the governor, especially on the issue of temple opening.
Absolutely, Shiv. This is the 5th time that the governor and the Maharashtra government, that is Uddhav Thackeray and Bhagat Singh Koshyari, have come face to face on certain issues, and they don't agree with certain issues. But this will be the first time that what we can see is that clearly the political statements being exchanged between the governor as well as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. It started, of course, with the governor. Governor has all rights to give suggestions to the government that what he thinks is a better for the state, and that's how he had sent this letter. But the particular points in this letter, especially with respect to the Hindutva ideology, because it's a clear taunt to the Chief Minister that he, as the governor has wrote in this particular letter, that you call yourself a Hindutva supporter, you call yourself a devotee of Lord Rama, then why the temples in Maharashtra have not yet opened? Are you trying to be secular? Why the gods and goddesses in Maharashtra are still under lockdown? So this is what the Chief Minister, Uddhav Thackeray, had to respond politically, and that's how it looks like that he has responded. And he has specifically said that I don't need a certificate from you about my Hindutva, as well as we have been playing. He taunted governor for welcoming Kangana Ranawat, according to the state, that he who called the capital of Maharashtra a Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. So it's a clearly political statement exchange between the governor and the Maharashtra chief minister, as well as it has also been looked at the timing of this particular letter. Today, the BJP had already earlier. At earlier occasions as well have done some agitations that the mandirs, the temples or the religious places should be opened in the state. Today when there was an agitation, on the same day this letter was received by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. So it clearly looks like that the BJP, as has been alleged by the Shiv Sena at this point of time, that the BJP is using the governor's office to attack the state, using the the political statements with the governor's house to attack the state of Maharashtra, especially the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Sahil, thanks very much for that. This is obviously going to escalate even further. The BJP is and has been staging protests across Maharashtra all of today, demanding temple reopening. Protests were held outside the famous Siddhi Vinayak temple in Mumbai. Heavy police was deployed, these are images from a short while ago, to prevent the BJP workers from entering the temple premises. Besides Mumbai, protests are being staged in Nagpur, Shirdi and Kolhapur, as Sahil was just telling us. The BJP has targeted Uddhav Thackeray's government and said that the government is allowing the reopening of bars, so why can't they allow the reopening of temples?
श्रद्धा के साथ साथ आज मंदिरों के ऊपर छोटे मोटे व्यवसाय उपजीविका करने वाले भी लोग हैं, तो उनका ख्याल कौन करेंगे? मुझे लगता है अहंकार से भरा हुआ ये सरकार है, उनको ईगो हर चीज पे, ईगो हर इश्यू पे अहंकार से भरा हुआ है सरकार है, इसलिए इसी तरह के निर्णय लेते हैं वो।
हमारा ये आंदोलन पूरे महाराष्ट्र में है। हम चाहते हैं कि पूरे महाराष्ट्र के मंदिर खोले। सेक्युलर भावना से चलने वाली उद्धव सरकार को हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि आप उनकी बात सुनकर हिंदुओं के ऊपर अगर अत्याचार करोगे तो हिंदू जमीन पे उतर जाएगा और जमीन पे उतरने के बाद आपको गाड़ देने का काम भी करेगा।
You have bars open, you have restaurants open, you have malls open, you have people going to places of their work, and you believe that the Mumbaikar is not going to be responsible when it comes to devotion. And what devotion are we talking about? We are talking about in the holy month where you have Navratri, you have the so-called government of the day saying that health is a larger issue. I want to ask, can health and devotion not coexist? And we've been 6-7 months down into COVID. It is important for us to also have citizens, even if it's a staggered entry, at places of religious worship, maintaining social distance, wearing their masks, sanitizing, and adhering to all the guidelines. This is not as if this is an ad hoc, people come in and come out. As far as Mr. Koshyari ji is concerned, here is someone who is trying to give certificates on Hindutva or what Hindu beliefs are on the basis of his politics, writes a letter in that spirit. We need to ask him that who is he to take this decision on who is more a Hindu, who is better Hindu, and how governance should be done.
Meanwhile, the BJP is protesting for temples to open in Maharashtra days after Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan said that there's no need to visit large gatherings or puja pandals to offer prayers in the festive season. So there's a bit of a divide within the BJP and BJP-ruled governments as well.
किसी भी धर्म में कोई भी धर्माचार्य यह नहीं कहते कि लोगों के प्राणों को खतरे में डालकर त्योहार मनाया जाना चाहिए। कभी कोई भी भगवान ये नहीं कहते कि उनकी पूजा के लिए आपको बड़े बड़े पूजा पंडालों में जाने की जरूरत है। अरे आपको पता हो कि बाहर आग लगी है और कैसे आप लोगों को धर्म और त्योहारों के नाम पर तब झोंक सकते हैं उसमें। ऐसे त्योहार का भला क्या मतलब है? आप सच्चे मन से कहीं भी अपने भगवान का स्मरण कर सकते हैं।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.